In today's episode of the Radius Bundles tutorial series, we will learn fixed bundle tutorial using Radius Bundle app from the scratch. First, go to the Radius Bundles dashboard. First, navigate to the bundles. As you can see, there are currently no bundles created yet because today we will show the entire process from the scratch. After clicking on Create Bundle, select Fixed Bundle from these 4 types of bundle. It can be used for gift boxes or even product bundles with accessories. Then click on Create Bundle. You will get a form to complete in 4 steps to create this bundle. Provide the bundle details like bundle name and the description. Then select the products you want to create the bundle with. Then click on Add. Here you can see those products from the live preview. Here you can see the discount type. You can choose from these 4 types such as percentage. If you select it, simply set the percentage amount and instantly check the preview here. Once you set the discount percentage amount, it will appear under the bundle product title like this. If you want, you can also change the bundle title as product and you'll be able to preview it from here as well. After the percentage option, let's try the discount amount type. Set an amount for it. And you'll see how it appears differently. Now let's choose bundle price and set price for it. Here the difference is clearly visible. Enable this option to automatically sync it with the bundle name. Then write a description for the bundle. You can also add media from the included products. And if you want to offer free shipping with the bundle purchase, simply turn on this option. If you don't want, then turn it off. For the bundle status, you'll get these options: draft, active, and schedule. If you choose schedule, you will need to set a date for it. For this tutorial, we are selecting the active option. Now let's move to the display section. From these 4 widget layouts, you can choose whichever one you like. You can preview each layout appearance live below. You can also change the offer title and offer subtitle according to your preference. In the live preview, you will instantly notice the changes while customizing. This here is the Add to Cart button text. If you want, you can customize that too. Below that, you will find several field selection options. By enabling or disabling them, you can show or hide specific elements on display settings. If you look carefully at the preview, you'll see the changes happening instantly. Once disabled, the element disappears from the preview. Now move to the final step, review. Before proceeding, quickly check everything once again. If you go to the bundle section from the Radius Bundle dashboard, you'll be able to see your newly created fixed bundle deal. There you can view the bundle products, discount, and status. And when you click here, the included products will appear as linked items. Let's open one for testing purpose. Here it is. From here, you can also the products used to create the bundle, including the free product or gift item along with the original and the bundle price. Let's click on Buy Now. Add these products to the cart. After adding them, you'll get the checkout option for the next step. You'll get a form to complete the purchase. Since this is just for testing purpose, we are trying to show how a user would go through the process. Complete the required fields in the form and then click on Pay Now. Here are the order details with all the information included. After this, let's move to the order dashboard and open the bundle we just created. Here you can see the products included in your bundle, and this is the payment overview. Thanks for watching.